This is multimedia protection. Steps in multimedia protection: using a adequate time and efficient planning required for the multimedia protection. So it's the project will process smoothly and ensure that the information reaches the target for the audience. So while you are doing the project, that reaches audience target. Okay, so here we have some steps for do the phases for development of complex multimedia projects. So what are the phases we see now? First one, conceptual analysis and planning. So in this we identify the appropriate theme, budget, content availability, and select a particular theme. Okay, you have to check it, this everything. Extra additional feature is copywriting issues. Okay, so next one is project design. So once you are design the theme, finalize the theme, objective, goal, activities, so then you do the multimedia project. Okay, so that then only the project will reaches the goal. So the specific statements in the project is known as objectives. So in these activities, each and every action performed to implement an objective. So the activities are, if you are doing one project design, you have to do the proper way. Okay, so how you can do means based on this objective. Objective is nothing but what's your project, how you are doing that, what are the things you have to do in your project, what are the criteria you are using in this project, that you have to clear first of all. That is the objective. Okay, so next one, pre-protection. So pre-protection is nothing but previously you have to plan about your project, and then designing purpose also you have to planning. So that is the pre-protection method. So next one, budget. Budget is nothing but this is also one of the phase. In that, consultants, hardware, software, travel, communication and publishing. So each and everything, how much budget it will take for your project, that you have to decide it. So next one, multimedia protection team. The protection team, it's a high-end multimedia project. It need a teamwork. Okay, so the team members are playing various roles and responsibilities. For example, script writer, and then protection manager, editor, graphics architect, multimedia architect and webmaster. These are the different responsibilities. So now you see hardware and software selections. Okay, so in this hardware and software selection, it's a playback application. Okay, you have to develop the tool for playback. So hardware means you have to fast RAM, CPU, RAM and huge monitor, sufficient disk for storing your records. So suitable software and file formats depends on your fund. Okay, so based on the fund only you have to decide the disk for sufficient disk. Okay, how much GP you need, or whatever storing capacity you have to use in your project, that you have to decide it. Defining the content is nothing but a stuff. So the person have a complete stuff to develop, tell about your project. Okay, so that is a content specialist. If you are the person prepare the narration, bullets, charts and tables in your project. Okay, that is defining content. Next topic is preparing the structure. So first of all you have to decide the structure. So in your project, how many modules are there, each and every module you have to complete how long period of the time. Okay, so when you are starting the project, when you are completing the project, that you have to decide it. Okay, so next, protection is nothing but So here we use different activities, so like background music, selection, sound recording, and so on. So if you are using OCR software, picture shot by digital cameras, video clips or shots, edited, compressed, like that you do the some work. So next one is testing. So after completing your project, you have to test the project. So before going to deliver your project, you have to check, because avoiding the failures in market. Okay, so you have to check each and every modules and each and every testing events, everything should be working or not. You have to check it before delivering your project in market. Okay, so in that the project is working in all the browsers, that you have to check it. So what are the browsers in your system? Internet Explorer, Chrome, Mozilla, and Netscape Navigator. These are the browsers. Okay, you have to check your project, each and every project in every browser. Next one, documentation. Documentation is nothing but your project, how you are doing your project, what are the events, details are given in your project. That throughout your project you have to explain by using document. So in your document, okay, so what are the things you have to discuss here? Means system requirements up until your completion of testing. So contact details, email address, phone number, technical supports, and then suggestion and comments about your projects. So everything you should be type in your documentation. So delivering the multimedia products. So after completing your project, how to deliver your project, in what which one you have to use. So for example, CD or DVD, website, anything, you have to challenge that and deliver these things. Otherwise, if you are delivering your project through internet, means you have to face the problem, bandwidth problem, huge number of plugins, and then play audios, videos, and long downloading timing. These are, you are facing the problems if you are deliver your project through internet. So and then finally your multimedia project is delivered more effective way in two mediums. So one is for CD-ROM, DVD, or another one is internet. Okay, these two ways you have to deliver your projects. Thank you.